Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is positive thinking. Positive thinking brings positive circumstances. Negative thinking brings tests and obstacles where it's going to teach you why you need to let go of these grudges, resentments, guilts, these negative energies. Let it go so you can replace it with positivity as prosperity, love, light, intuition, growth, strength. Therefore, when blessings come to you in a big wave, you can maintain it. You have the strength, you have the space and the strength to maintain it, rain, sleet, or snow. Positive thinking. You control your life and things that come into your world right now. So we need you to, at this time, the portal's opening up to you right now. Positive thinking. Even if you're surrounded by all darkness, there are patches of light, patches of your gifts that you can look at and you can only pay attention to until your entire world turns into light. Everything that surrounds you does not deserve your energy. Only the positive things. My life is full of small patches of light. I direct my thoughts to what brings me well-being, love, prosperity, and great energy. I place what is waiting on me in the hands of the universe. Things that do not serve you. Negative energy, resentment, guilt, grudge, anger. Let it go. Therefore, you can replace those spaces that you just opened up with love, prosperity, light, energy, positivity. Therefore, you can start living life, not just sustaining and surviving life. Little by little, the light awakens in my being, and I find serenity. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.